Inspire, motivate, challenge.
Hello everyone, you're welcome to the Healthcare Soldiers YouTube channel. I had recently reviewed the Netflix TV series called Painkillers, which focuses on the topic of the opioid crisis in America. I will provide a link to my review of the Netflix series Painkillers under the description of this video. After seeing Painkillers, I was made aware of a similar TV series on Hulu called DOPESICK. And since I enjoyed Painkillers so much, I just had to check out DOPESICK as well. Now, here is my review of DOPESICK from the perspective of somebody who has also been a medical sales representative working for a pharmaceutical company. I would first like to point out that DOPESICK is not a new television series. It actually came out in November 2021 on Hulu. But I think it's very important that healthcare professionals all over the world should watch it. So if you are a doctor, a pharmacist, a medical sales rep, a lab scientist, anyone who has ever worked in the pharmaceutical or healthcare industry, you should go and see DOPESICK. My review of DOPESICK is going to be from the perspective of a medical sales representative. I'm going to talk about what I think the show did very well and what I think they should have also considered, which they probably didn't. I will share some of my own experiences promoting a controversial medication to doctors as well. Just like Painkillers, DOPESICK did a great job of portraying the complex factors that contributed to the opioid crisis. The show showed how Purdue Pharma, the makers of Oxycontin, aggressively marketed the drug to doctors, even though they knew it was addictive. The show also showed how doctors were often misled about the risk of Oxycontin and how they were pressured to prescribe the drug by pharmaceutical companies. I also thought DOPESICK did a good job of showing the human cost of the opioid crisis. The show showed how Oxycontin destroyed lives, both of people who became addicted to the drug and their family members. The show boasts of a very impressive and star-filled cast, which include Rosario Dawson, Will Poulter, Michael Stuhlbarg, Peter Sarsgaard, and of course Michael Keaton, whom we all know as Batman. In addition to its very incredible writing and screenplay, I think the high quality caliber cast also helps to make this a very interesting show. Just like Netflix Painkillers, DOPESICK relies on heavy dramatization with a strong focus on Purdue Pharma as if they were the only pharmaceutical company that was responsible for the opioid crisis, when in reality there were many other companies that were also involved. The show also made it seem like all doctors were easily misled by pharma companies, when in reality there are many doctors who were probably aware of this risk and refused to prescribe it, which I think Painkillers did a better job of showing. I worked as a medical representative for years, and I promoted a particular product that enjoyed its own fair share of controversy all over the world. And I saw firsthand how pharma companies could be aggressive in tackling some of the negative feedback and pushback by doctors and other healthcare providers due to the publicization of certain data that didn't speak well of the drug. So I witnessed firsthand how pharma companies train their medical reps to tackle some of this negative feedback and pushback. In my own experience, these activities were more of a battle of wits and scientific data between medical representatives, doctors, and other healthcare professionals. In hindsight, however, I can't help but think that maybe the focus should have been on not taking any risk on the health of the patient instead of being concerned about making a sale. Just to make it clear, nothing I personally experienced can be compared to what was displayed in the series DOPESICK, which is demonstrated to have been outright manipulation of both doctors, the healthcare system, and even the FDA. I think DOPESICK is a very important show and it's also very well done. And I'm glad that it's bringing attention to the opioid crisis. I hope that the show will help people understand the complex factors that contributed to this crisis, and that it will also help to prevent more people from becoming addicted to opioids and maybe even other medicines in the future. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my review. If you have any questions, comments, feel free to leave them below. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you. See you on the next one.